Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the video series on Java interview questions from basics, medium and advanced. So let's get started. The first question I'm going to cover is what is the difference between JDK and JRE? Okay, so what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains several tools and libraries which are required to develop the Java applications. For example, a compiler which is needed to compile your Java program, and performance monitoring tools. These tools are required to monitor the performance of your Java application, which is running in production or in different stages of your environment, and a debugger, which is needed to debug your Java program to know the state of the application and what is the memory and what is the variables. Those and all can be debugged using a debugger and several other tools. For example, JDK provides a tool to take the heap dump and also provides a tool to take the thread dump. And JDK is platform dependent, which means, for example, you have a Windows OS, then you need to download the JDK software, which is written for Windows. And if you are using a Linux OS, then you will find out a JDK which supports the Linux operating system. Similarly, if you are using a different operating system, and then you need to download the respective JDK. So that is for the JDK, and we'll move to JRE. So what is JRE? JRE actually stands for Java Runtime Environment. So it provides the libraries along with the JVM and other components to run the Java applications. So if we see the main difference, JDK is for developing the Java applications and JRE is for running the Java applications. And this is also platform dependent, same as like JDK. So if you want a JRE for a particular OS, you need to download the respective JRE. So, and also, for example, you don't need a JDK if you only wants to run the Java application. For example, you have a Android application which is written in Java. So the developer needs JDK to develop that Android application, but as a user, he doesn't need JDK. He just needs JRE to run the application. And I will also show the big picture how it looks. So if we look at the outer box, this is JDK. JDK actually comes with the JRE along with the different development tools. And if we look at the inner black box, this is JRE. JRE comes with JVM internally and along with the libraries and classes. So JVM is actually the Java virtual machine which runs your Java application. So a tutorial, I will cover JVM in different tutorial, and also I will show the JDK after installation. If you see, I have installed JDK in my laptop, and you see JDK has JRE included inside this JDK folder. And so we were talking about tools that are provided by JDK. Those tools are inside bin. For example, we need a Java C tool for compiling the Java application and Java doc tool to generate the Java documentation. Like that, there are different tools here. And JMC is the Java machine control, something kind of. And JVisual VM is to monitor the Java application that is running on the system. And there are different tools which you see here. So we don't need to know all the tools that are provided by the JDK, but based on the requirement, we can we can we can use whatever tool that supports. So that is for this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.